I am Jamie Widener with Kleen-Rite Corporation. I'm here with Jacob Schroeder from Hydro Systems, and we're going to talk a bit about solutions for on-premise laundry needs. So Jacob, what do we have here today?
Yeah, so this is our EvoClean unit, and what makes it a little bit different, a little bit radical, is traditionally you use peristaltic pumps for pumping laundry chemical. That's the way it's been done for a long time. But this unit actually uses the venturi effect to pull up chemical and then deliver it to the washing machine. So big difference there. Using the venturi effect, you get a lot more stability, or I guess repeatability, when it comes to the amount of chemical that's pumped every time. Squeeze tubes, they break down, and when they break down, they deliver less chemical. Here, it's the same every time. Then also, squeeze tubes require maintenance. You got to replace them periodically. With this, there's no squeeze tubes, no replacements, a lot less maintenance with this unit.
Okay. So who would be best positioned to use this? What type of industry?
Yeah, so that would be the OPO, on-premise laundry. So typically people who already use like our LM pumps, programmable machines up to 120, 125 pounds. And we actually have two versions of this, one for what we call like a low flow, that'd be machines under that weight, and ones for high flow machines that can go higher than that weight, just varying the amount of chemical that's carried over to the machine.
Okay. So a good cross-section of industry that would be appropriate. Okay,
yep.
Fantastic. So the customer's got a unit in place, we're looking a little bit down the line. What's the maintenance cycle look like, or what's the recommendations for maintenance?
Yeah, so I'm gonna open up this unit over here. So, like I mentioned, there's no squeeze tubes, maintenance items. So depending on your chemicals, depends on your maintenance, same with your water. So we have an integrated flush manifold. And then we have a water supply going in right here. So sometimes debris from the pipes can clog up that filter, and that needs checked every now and then. And then depending on your chemical, you may have to at least inspect these for any sort of buildup of chemical, but overall still a lot less maintenance than your typical traditional peristaltic pumps.
Less cost as well.
Yep.
Perfect. Okay. So if you're interested all in the EvoClean, all the products are available on our website, which is Kleen-Rite-Dilutions.com. If you have any questions, I'm happy to help. You can reach me directly via email at jwidener@Kleen-Rite.com or by phone at 800-233-3873, and my extension is 282. Thanks so much for watching.